In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a file in Notion. Whether you're new to Notion or just trying to make the most out of its features, uploading files is a helpful way to stay organized and keep everything in one place. So, let's explore how to do this effectively. First, you need to open the Notion page where you want to place your file. This might be a dedicated workspace, project page, or a folder where you're compiling resources. It's important to select the right location to ensure it is easily accessible when you need it in the future. Next, you'll want to locate the file on your computer that you're planning to upload. This could be a document, image, or any other type of file that's necessary for your work. It's helpful to have the file stored somewhere easy to find, like on your desktop or in a specific folder, to avoid shuffling around your directories while you're attempting to upload. Once you've found your file, you're going to use the simple drag and drop method to upload it. Click on your file from its storage location and drag it toward your open Notion page. This method is intuitive and saves you the trouble of navigating through file upload dialogues, making the process swift and seamless. Before releasing the file, ensure the correct page or section is visible in Notion. You'll know you're in the right spot when you see an upload indicator on the page. This serves as a visual confirmation that Notion is ready to accept your file and that it's being recognized successfully. Once you see the upload indicator, you can release the mouse button and Notion will take care of the rest. The platform will automatically handle the upload process for you, transitioning from your local storage to its cloud-based environment. This transfer is designed to be quick and efficient, minimizing your wait time. As soon as the upload is complete, your file will be displayed directly on the Notion page. You don't need any additional steps for this. The system seamlessly incorporates your file into the page's content. This integration means that the file becomes part of your workspace, fully accessible for viewing, editing, or referencing whenever needed. Remember, to utilize this feature, you must be using a paid version of Notion. This version unlocks the capability to upload files of various sizes and types, making Notion a versatile and powerful tool for your organizational needs. By following these steps, you will have added your necessary files to Notion, helping streamline your workflow and increase productivity. We hope this tutorial helps you use Notion more effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.